That's Robert.
That's Julie.
And it's our thing.
Yes, it is.
No, really, it's not. No, I'm teasing.
Is it your thing?
It's your thing.
I thought it was your thing.
No, it's your thing.
I guess
No, it's their thing.
I guess it's the cat's thing.
Yeah.
It's the cat's thing.
It's the kids' thing.
Yeah.
Well, we got another haul.
It's something.
It's Saturday.
Woohoo!
We're tired.
Yeah.
It's been a long week.
Yeah, we're tired.
Been a long week.
Yeah. Okay, it's been a long week. You bought some razor blades anyway.
No.
What is
These
that?
are different ones. The other ones were 5. These are 3 blades.
Okay. 3 blades,
See,
5 blades.
They were 5 razors with 3 blades.
5.
The other ones were 3 blades. No, 5 blades with 3 razors.
Okay.
Anyway.
I get it. I got it. Okay.
So we're doing a haul. And it's a Dollar Tree haul. And, you know, I buy these. Lights for outside. Well,
They're everywhere.
2 of them are bent. We kind of know how they got bent, but we don't.
So they say. Anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we got 2 more, and I think I'm going to leave this in this time where they don't
bend.
Yeah, as bad.
Okay.
Okay, so we got some soap. I need to smell good.
Got to smell good.
I got razors. I needed some razors.
They're 3 blade.
Well, because he...
3 blades and 5 razors. Not 5 blade and 3 razors.
Because he's tired of me using his razor in the shower.
It's like shaving with a machete.
I have soft hair. He's got coarse.
It's like shaving with a machete.
Go figure. Okay. Ouch, that hurt. I needed some hair clips because I'm letting my hair grow out, and I'm fixing to have somebody cut the back of this off, this long haul here, because it's driving me nuts.
Bleh.
And so I'm got clips to put in my hair and pull it back so I don't have to wear it in a hat all the time. Of course, 2 books, not for me, for somebody else.
She reads anything and everything.
I'm putting him back for Christmas. Then I got 2 journals. One is Start Today, and the other one is Today is the Day.
I thought I was going to say start tomorrow.
No.
Okay.
What'd you get?
I got 2 of these somewhere. I don't know.
Yeah, the other one's over here.
Okay. I got Wiley Wallaby Black Licorice.
Why?
Because your mama's coming. It's one of those things.
It's a bride.
It's a bride.
It's a bride because I'm going home with her. It's a bride to bring me back.
Well, I bought a bag to share and a bag to give her as a reminder.
But no, I'm coming back on the 5th. On
Yep.
the train. Okay.
Woo-woo.
Fall is upon us. And oh wait, no, we're gonna go. What else? I got pork rinds because I got to get back on my healthy thing. I'm super sore this week because I started this. You can do it, download it on YouTube. What I'll do is I'll put what I'm doing in the link below, and I have to send it to you. And
Exercise.
Yeah, it's exercise. It's walking where you don't have to go outside and walk, because I can't go outside and walk here because of the coyotes. They run in the day.
Don't let them fool you. They're not nocturnal all the time.
No. And then the big dogs are always out. And then
Who
we
let
have...
the dogs out? Sorry.
Fridays you can't get outside, period, because...
Not to mention it's 105 degrees.
Yeah, we're in triple digits here in Texas. No rain in the forecast. And cooler weather's supposed to be coming Sunday.
That means it'll be 97.
Yeah, 97, 98.
Yeah.
So anyway, this is a in-house walking technique, and I am so sore. You should see me getting up out of my chair. It's funny.
And then we got the $1.25 gallon of bleach. This is for the air conditioner.
Yeah.
We have to put bleach down the air conditioner drain so that it keeps it clean and
to
clear.
dissolve the cat hair.
Because we are running the air conditioner big time.
Well, actually not really.
Not as bad as we were.
We were running it on 76, and even though it's triple digits, our electric bill was
$432.
yeah. So we are doing things like we're hanging our clothes outside, and I've got a thing on my channel that's going to have that all into it. What?
None.
And so, but we hang our clothes outside to dry to save electricity, plus not to heat up the house because I bake and cook a lot as it is, and when I start that oven up, that whole kitchen from the oven back to my craft room is hot.
Then we got 2 sets of batteries, AA's and AAA's, and they're cheap. They're $1.25 a set
We
of
have
8.
to replace our security.
Yeah, we got to
thing.
replace the security
Battery.
stuff in the house. So
Okay.
periodically you have to do that.
So I am gonna make him his favorite peanut butter and dark chocolate peanut butter cookies. I made some crunchy peanut butter. Is it crunchy peanut? Yeah, crunchy peanut butter, dark chocolate. Was it dark chocolate or regular chocolate?
It was dark chocolate.
And butterscotch peanut butter cookies.
Sounds weird, but it was
Those
good.
were the bomb.com. Those are listed on my channel. Will be. I think. I didn't do a video on those.
Ooh, shame on her.
No, I did.
Shame on me.
I didn't put butterscotch in them. I just put the dark chocolate.
Yeah, it was good.
So anyway, when I go on my little mini vacation, which really it's not because I'll be cooking and cleaning for my mom and dad and my sister and her husband, I've got to make a head of stuff that he can grab out of the freezer and extra food so that he'll have something to eat. We won't say why. Anyway, so I got 3 muffin mixes, and his sister bought some muffin mixes, so I'm gonna be baking up muffins probably tonight. When it cools down, I will be making up muffins,
When
and
it's
then
95 degrees.
I forgot Ziploc bags.
Oh, have my sister pick some up.
I have to sell her some money.
No. We'll pick up bags in the morning.
Yeah. Or if we get out later, we'll go get them.
Yeah.
So anyway, I'm making muffins, and so what I do is I put 2 in a Ziploc baggie, and I label them 9 times out of 10, and I just throw them in the freezer. If I don't want his sister eating them all, I don't label them.
I have to look at the label and go, what does 9 times out of 10 mean? Anyway, I don't know.
So fall is coming up on us. Pumpkin weather's coming up, but I like hot apple cider. I love pumpkin spice, don't get me wrong. I got a little sign
This whole house is full of little signs.
for my kitchen.
It is.
Are you complaining?
No, I'm not complaining. I was just saying this house is full of little signs. I take it as a sign.
Here's your sign.
There's my sign. Okay.
Anyway, I like hot apple cider, and I liked this one, so I picked it up, and I'm going to put this in my kitchen.
With a great big sign she's got to go in her kitchen, it won't fit anywhere. It's this long.
I got it fitted.
You got it fitted? Okay.
I even brightened it up a little bit.
She got this big old huge sign that says kitchen, like I didn't know it was a
And-
kitchen.
Why'd you jump?
Cause you're gonna hit me.
I was not going to hit you.
You look like you're gonna hit me. You thought about it. You thought about it.
You thought about it, and I didn't.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Juices, strawberry. Because I have just the all pink Skittles, and he likes something different. This was all that they had that you would drink. Then I have a bathroom to clean up.
Babo, comment.
I got Comet
Mm-hmm.
that I have to scrub my shower.
Okay.
I found my conditioner. This is the best conditioner. I got 2 of them because I have a pump bottle in my shower that I put this in.
It's conditional.
Then I got, I couldn't get this. Oh wait, let's do this. That's what it is.
She was trying to smell it through the silver tab.
You probably have to get your knife and stick down in it. It's called chlorine aromas.
It smells like chlorine bleach. Like you expect.
Long-lasting fragrance.
You expect something different?
Deodorizes, whitens, and deep cleans. We're gonna try it. Then these were $5, and I've been wanting one of these for a long time. Even though it's got a maple leaf on the top of it, I could probably always do something cutesy fartsy to put over the top of it. Like during the holidays, I can do like those little Christmas tree ornaments that they have. I could put over it, or snowmen, or whatever. And so I got a 2-tier tray. These were $5, and they are 15.35 inches tall. So I've been wanting one to put on my where my coffee thing is. My coffee bar. Then I asked him, because I always put these trays out, and I wanted one for my coffee table, and it says gather. And so I have a bunch of fall stuff that I'll use this for. And I will actually use it for fall. I'll put it Halloween on it, and then I'll use it for Thanksgiving. So it goes through the thing, because when I come back on the 5th, his sister won't let me start decorating till the night of the 11th.
We love America. Don't get us wrong. But when your whole house is red, white, and blue for 6 months out of the year, it gets on your nerves.
From May until September 11th.
Yep. I mean...
Now, mind you, my kitchen, if y'all watch my channel, is red, white, and blue. Okay, don't get me wrong. I love red, white, and blue. But I have to look at it 365 days a year. 24 hours a day. That's 7 days a week. And you get tired of the red, white, and blue. Don't get me wrong. I love the flags. I love them. But when your sister wants it through your whole house, there's a problem. Because I like to change it up, and I leave the red, white, and blue from Memorial Day through Labor Day. Well, she was like, there's Flag Day, and then there's what? 911 and all this other stuff. And I'm like, okay.
I'm going to get a Jolly Roger flag for next year's Flag Day.
It's a Jolly Roger flag.
Skull and crossbones? So I'm flying the flag. I'm going to put it out on the front porch and see what my neighbors think.
Oh, that'll go really good, since the mosque is right across the street.
I don't know if they celebrate or do with it. Tell them I'm having a good time. So anyway, what else you got?
I think that's it.
Da 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 da. Is that all?
Let me see. Yeah. Oh wait, I got dishwasher pods. Because we ran out of dishwasher detergent. Well, his sister got some supposedly dishwasher pods. Well, they're not dishwasher pods.
What are they?
Laundry soap.
Oh shoot! Oh shoot! She put them in. Oh man.
Hey, they're clean. They're clean. What can you say? But
and I wonder why she destroys vacuum cleaners? I have no idea.
So I got these just temporarily because she bought, because they didn't have anything else, that 7th generation dishwasher detergent, the liquid. And my dishwasher didn't stink. My dishes didn't stink. They felt and looked clean. The silverware did not. I mean, I used the what is it called? The finish stuff on it.
I know what you're talking about. Yeah.
The jet dry, and I used that in it, and it didn't even leave the residue from that. Sometimes it does on the silverware, but so I got this, as backup, and the other I'm gonna put in the laundry room for her to use.
She honestly bought clothes
Yeah.
for the washing machine?
For the dishwasher, yeah. And I didn't realize it till after I did one last night. Because I was zipping it up like this, and I was like, am I seeing that right?
That's why that fork I use tastes like a sock. I was wondering about that.
So, I got dish packs.
Okay, we're good. Is that all?
And I think that's it.
You think that's it? Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, I don't think. Oh, I bought some of those cheese raviolis because we like those. And when I need a quick dinner, I can put those in a pan.
You wouldn't think you could get raviolis kind of stuff at Dollar Tree, but you can, and it's really pretty good.
Yeah, the frozen raviolis is really good, and it's like real ricotta, not fake crap ricotta.
It's cheap. It's what, $1.25?
$1.25.
$1.25. Well, I think we're done.
Yeah.
Stick a fork in us.
Yeah.
You done?
I'm done.
Okay. That's still Julie.
That's still Robert.
Guess what? It's our thing.
And we don't care.
No, we don't.
But really, we do. We really do.
You think
care.
so?
I think so.
Oh, okay.
At least the kids do.
I don't know. Have you asked Pig?
Pig and our Charles Henry kept me up last night.
They did.
Yes.
You sure?
Molly Joe tries to escape now.
Hey.
She does. She tries to escape. They sleep in the sink. There's Pig. Matter of fact.
For
speaking
those
of the
that
devil,
haven't seen our little monsters lately,
there's the pig.
there's Pig.
There's the pig. Oh, him likes that.
Mm.
Him loves that. He's like, what am I doing out here, Daddy?
He's gotten big since we first had him.
He's 30 inches long.
So
From head to tail.
anyway, it's still our thing. This is Pig,
Yeah.
and we'll see y'all later.
See you, bye.
Bye.